Hello and welcome to Module 12. Module 12 will be released on December 1st, 2021, and it is the end of the workshop. But don't fret, because if you want to join the workshop, you start at Lesson 1, Module 1. Just because the last module is in December and the workshop is complete, it will be there for you to watch anytime you want, and you can learn everything about spinning a consistent yarn, plying consistently, having a beautiful ply angle, scouring, prepping, dyeing, and the last module is all about marketing. So if you have a small business, this will be of very big interest to you. And in 2022, I will be rolling out some very big marketing classes, and I'm also going to do a workshop on how to do online classes. So join the workshop and learn all about spinning, dyeing, prepping, everything, and also just the tip of the iceberg on marketing for your small business. We'll see you soon.